Good day, everyone. SARS has declared that they are going after all crypto investors. And I know there's many people out there that have used the cryptocurrency environment to try and put money away in a way that SARS can't get hold of it. And somehow they have implemented a system where they are holding all the cryptocurrency investment companies responsible for declaring who is investing, how much is being invested. And as I said before, you will be able to be monitored, tracked, and traced even better in the cryptocurrency space because of the blockchain. So they say in this article they are coming hard after people investing in cryptocurrency. Really a fear-driven campaign from SARS, and the mainstream media is playing along. I find this quite interesting. So tell me in the comments how you feel about this. Do you invest in cryptocurrency to get away from the normal fiat currency banking system? And how do you feel about the fact that SARS is now going to come after your investment money? Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video.